Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am Farhanda Rauf, your mathematics teacher from Pakistan School Nizwa. Today we are going to discuss about chapter 2, that is whole numbers. After studying this chapter, you will be able to differentiate between natural and whole numbers, identify natural and whole numbers and their notations, addition and subtraction of two given whole numbers, verification of different laws under addition and multiplication related to whole numbers. In today's video lecture, I'm going to cover an introduction of whole numbers. What is the difference between natural number and whole numbers? What is a number line? How to find out a successor and predecessor of any given term, and I'll be discussing about exercise 2.1, question number 1, 2 and 3. Now, before starting the exercise, let us discuss what are whole numbers. The number 0 together with counting numbers gives us the whole numbers. We denote whole numbers with capital W. These are the few facts related to whole numbers. All natural numbers are whole numbers. All counting numbers are whole numbers. All positive integers including 0 are whole numbers. All whole numbers are real numbers. Now, what is the basic difference between whole number and natural numbers? The key difference between natural numbers and whole numbers is the presence of value 0 in whole numbers. That means whole numbers will start from 0 and natural numbers will start from 1. We can say that natural numbers are basic counting numbers and whole numbers are set of natural numbers. Natural numbers are represented by using capital letter N. Whole numbers are represented by capital letter W. Natural number starts from 1. Whole numbers starts from 0. We can say that all natural numbers are whole numbers, but we cannot consider all whole numbers as natural numbers. Now, what is a number line? A number line is basically a pictorial representation of numbers on a straight line. In mathematics, number lines are horizontal straight lines in which integers are placed in equal intervals. All numbers in a sequence can be presented in a number line. Now, how one should plot any number on a number line, or how you should start plotting numbers on a number line. For this purpose, one should know how to begin plotting numbers on a number line. For this purpose, one should know where he or she has to start plotting the number. For this purpose, you should locate numbers on a number line. 0 is the middle point or middle number of any number line. All positive, if you have to plot positive numbers, so all positive numbers, all positive integers occupies right hand side of a number line, and if you have to plot negative numbers, so they will occupy left hand side of a number line, or left hand side of the 0 on a number line. Now let's talk about successor and predecessor. Now you can see, now consider this green spot as any number or as any value. Now if you see, successor means something which is something which is after this number or this point. Consider this as number 5. Okay, now successor means any number which will be after number 5. Now consider this predecessor. This means any number which will before number 5. Now let me tell you the definition of successor and predecessor. Successor and predecessor are referred as after number and before number respectively. Predecessor refers to the previous term of a particular term, while successor refers to the next term of a particular term. Now, how one should find out the successor or predecessor of any given term? If a number is small, so it will be easier for our student to find out the successor or predecessor. But if a number is big, then in order to find out the successor of a whole number, one must be added to the particular given number. If you want to find out the predecessor, one must be subtracted from the particular number. Now let me give you an example. Now let us discuss exercise 2.1 question number 1. In this we have to find out the successor and predecessor of given whole numbers to us. So question number 1 is write the successor and predecessor of the following whole numbers: 36, 74, 199, 350 and 78. I'm going to solve this part 1 for you. Remaining 4 parts you will be doing it by yourself. Now we have to find out a successor of 36 and predecessor of 36. As you know that successor means a number which will comes after a particular number. So here successor of 36 will be 37 and predecessor means a number which will come before a particular number. So here particular number is 36 and before 36 a number will be 35. So 35 is my predecessor. Or you can do it like this as well: 36 plus 1, this will give you 37, this is your successor, and 36 minus 1, this will give you 35, this is your predecessor. Okay, now let's discuss question number 2 of exercise 2.1. Question number 2 of exercise 2.1 is write 3 next consecutive numbers, whole numbers starting from 509. Now before solving the question, now please let me tell you the meaning of this consecutive. Now consecutive refers to the thing that are arranged or happen in a sequential order. Sequential order means one after another. So you have to write down 3 numbers after 509. So 510, 511, 512, these are the 3 consecutive numbers. Now the last question of this exercise 2.1, which is question number 3, write the natural numbers smaller than 6. You have to write down all the natural numbers which are smaller than 6. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Why I'm not writing 0 here? Because 0 is not a natural number. As we studied previously, 0 is a whole number. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 are all natural numbers less than 6. That is all from my side. Stay home, stay safe. May Allah protect you from all the evils. Allah Hafiz.